It is going to be insanity. It is absolutely going to happen. Ironically, the insanity is going to ensue whether or not this event that I'm about to talk to you about happens or not. It's one of those things. We have so much pent up demand here that, quite frankly, I think is unprecedented and has never been seen before. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Bitcoin ETFs. Here's the thing, you need to hear me out because this impacts you if you own any at all, any crypto. Doesn't matter what you own, this impacts you. So stay tuned to the end. I'm also going to show you how you can manage this risk, both positive, make a lot of money from it, and also manage the downside and minimize losses in this video as well. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So a lot to cover. Stay to the end. Hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Here we go. Okay. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Bitcoin ETF. We all know it's coming. Maybe that's the insanity part. Okay. We all know that it's approximately supposed to be launched or approved on by January 10th. That's the insanity part of this, because bottom line, if you look at it this way, pent up demand. What is that? Pent up demand. It's literally demand that is like this, just swelling and just, it's ready to break the proverbial dam. And the ironic part is that it's going to break the dam if it doesn't happen. If the Bitcoin ETF is not approved on January 10th, it's still going to break the dam, because you're going to have the market, in my opinion, move down dramatically if we don't see the Bitcoin ETF approved by January 10th. And then if it is approved by January 10th, you're going to have this massive, again, breaking of the dam in the other direction. The insanity is going to be unprecedented either way. Okay, so let's look at kind of some charts and kind of look at what I'm talking about. Like, look, ultimate FOMO is going to break loose if Bitcoin breaks above this resistance line. Now, this is kind of part of it, right? This is talking about the fact that if Bitcoin breaks above $48,000. Now, again, this is not just about Bitcoin. This is about all of crypto. And you can see right now, crypto is really just kind of in this kind of waiting period. Yes, it's moved up about $400 billion or so. This number, the overall crypto market capitalization has moved up about $400 billion in the last, 7 to 10 days or so. But ultimately, Bitcoin hit that 44,000 mark, got pushed back. I kind of was expecting that. I called it in some previous videos. We had Ethereum run up in the last 3 or 4 days. It's kind of quieted down, etc. Okay, but it's that ultimate FOMO angle, fear of missing out, that I think is part of this scenario that we're going to see play out. Because again, what I really want you to hear me say, and the bottom line, what I want you to walk away from this video is with this massive, huge pent up demand, both to the negative and or the positive. Either way that the Bitcoin ETF January 10th date breaks, if they do not approve it, the Bitcoin ETF by January 10th, you can expect the crypto markets to move down dramatically because of this pent up demand, because of everybody expecting it to be approved. Number one. Number two, if it is, the Bitcoin ETF is approved January 10th, the crypto markets are going to go ballistic. It is going to, I'm talking about just going to go straight up. It is going to be utter insanity. Well, Austin, you're giving us both sides of that coin, and you're not really giving us any insight, because I don't know. Nobody knows, and that's the thing. Okay, that's the rub. That's the deal. Nobody knows if this January 10th deadline for approval is going to happen. Is it real? Is it really going to happen or not? You know that you got BlackRock and Grayscale and all the big traditional finance organizations that have Bitcoin ETF applications in. They're pushing on every single politically connected person that they know, if you know what I'm talking about, right, to get this approved as well. So there's just this ungodly, insane amount of pent up demand and pent up national, global coverage of this event. It is going to be crazy. Okay, so I promised you how you could manage this and how you could deal with this. Here's the thing. Let me get my glasses on so I can show you this. So if you're new to me or if you've seen me before, this is how you can manage this. Like this is Cardano. I have come out with a trading indicator. And if you're not using my trading indicators, use somebody's. Why? Because trading indicators give you insight into, give you clarity and insight and better visibility into when to buy and sell any and all cryptos. This is Cardano. Like as an example, this momentum up alert right here at the lower left, this green box is a buy alert from my software. So 68 days ago, it issued an alert. It said, hey, it's time to buy Cardano, and that 144%. So from that alert to now, my software would have made you 144% on return. If you put 1,000 in, you would made $1,447 in profit. Okay. So this is Solana, kind of the same deal. Buy alert right there. There's been another sell, another buy along the way, but aggregate 362%. 1,000 in would have put you, would have made you $3,625 profit. Okay. So XRP, this is right. Look, it's giving, I'm waiting for a new buy alert right here. There's not one yet. We're in this consolidation factor, but again, it gave a buy alert, a sell alert right there, and all that kind of stuff. So here's what this does. It's also can a trading indicator like mine, links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, complete refund guarantee. So you have zero risk in it. Try it. After on the thank you page, there's videos. You'll be up and running in 10 minutes. What you do is you set up alerts to be sent to your mobile device, right? So it just says buy or sell, depending upon what alerts and what cryptos you want alerts on. It just says buy or sell, depending upon the situation you set up. And I teach you how to set up all that on the thank you page after you've joined. And there's a discount code down there, by the way. But the other thing is, remember what I said earlier in the video about how if the Bitcoin ETF is not approved, okay. So what this software can do as well is it helps you manage that downside risk. So it's going to issue, if things start to move down, it's going to issue you a sell alert on all of your major cryptos that you're watching so that you can manage that downside risk and you don't take those losses as the market's moving down. And then when the market moves down, it moves down after that event. Let's say the Bitcoin ETF is not approved. Then once it bottoms, it's going to say, okay, boom, it's time to buy whatever you care about. You want to buy Cardano, you want to buy Polygon, you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy anything else. It will tell you the perfect or the best time to buy. That's what it does. Okay. And then the other side is true as well. If we get approval, it's going to give you insight as to when, boom, okay, it's time to get in because this one's about to take off. So that's what the software does. This is how you can manage the opportunity associated with the Bitcoin ETF approval, and you can manage the risk associated with that and kind of minimize and protect yourself, make money and or protect yourself, whatever plays out. Links in the description below. Go get it. Take it for a test drive. Because look, the thing is, you got 30 days to try it. No questions asked. If you don't like it for any reason, you get a complete refund. There's a discount code down there that makes it where it basically costs you $1 a day. That's less than you spend on a cup of coffee or a soda or Coke or anything like that. Isn't your crypto investing opportunities and also not losing money worth more than $1 a day? Links in the description below. Check it out. Pick it up. I'll see you.